Tiger 61 inch, same thing with the Briggs Stratton engines. We love these engines, except it has a little issue with fuel. These new pumps right there, they just don't seem to work at all. Even when the brand new, we had two brand new units from this 2018 season, same thing, you know, let them sit for 2 weeks, few days, fuel go back to the tank, and it's impossible to bring it back up with the cranking. So you can burn up your batteries all the time and trying to get this back up. So I'm just going to try to crank it so you can see there's fuel coming out of there, but there's nothing pumping. So I'm going to try to hold 1 second. Let me just get on, well, let me pause this thing. So as you notice, I have put in a prime bulb. This is what you need to do in order to start this babe. Should start right off, but choke it. That's the only way you can do this, by putting the prime pump, and once you get the fuel up in there, you can just go ahead and take that off. But that's a very common problem with this Briggs Stratton 2035 Vanguard engines. I hope this will help someone out there. Other than that, great units. This is one of the best mowers out there in the market right now. This is the only thing we use. We have used every other brand, and this is one of the kind. Not cheap though. Alright, thank you, thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, ask us any questions. If we can help, we'll be glad to help you. Thank you, see you till next time.